Today I've got a super fun St. Patrick's Day craft for you, a little leprechaun craft with a 3D beard. Stick around to find out how to make this. First, grab your leprechaun printout. I printed this one after finding it on Canva, but you can always draw your own or find another one online. Once you have your printout, then it's time to color your leprechaun. I used markers, but you can use colored pencils or crayons, whatever your preference is. You can find this leprechaun printable in the description below, or you can always draw your own version if you're feeling creative. Once you're done coloring, then it's time to add the fun 3D beard. Take your glue and add it to the beard area of the leprechaun. Next, take some tissue paper or construction paper and cut it into small squares. You're going to take each square and put it around the end of your pencil, and then you're going to press it down onto the glue. This will give the beard a nice fluffy and 3D effect. Keep going until the whole beard area is covered with little orange pieces of paper. Once the beard is completely covered, your leprechaun craft is all done. And there you have it, your very own fun leprechaun craft with a 3D beard. Don't forget there's a printable in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and happy St. Patrick's Day.